Hi, my name is Prakash Pondre. I am from Thane. I was suffering from obstructive sleep apnea for last 4 years almost. I was not able to sleep properly without CPAP. I was using CPAP for 3-4 years continuously. After the operation, I am feeling much better now. At least I am able to sleep comfortably. My CPAP is reduced almost to 60-70%, and having much better sleep as compared to earlier. And I'm happy with the operation performed on my throat,
Nose and throat both.
nose and throats both. Yeah.
Very nice.